Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a video upload standard on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, and now here you will find text and media. Click on it, and here as you see you will find video uploads. Here just click standard here, and that's it. That's how to make video upload standard, and that's it for today. That's how to do it easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.